Okay, coming straight to the point, we can see how to connect to a Bedrock model using Boto3. So this is a boilerplate code. So here I am importing .env to import the environment variables. And I have set the AWS access key, secret access key, AWS region, and model ID. And here we have to import Boto3. So we have to install this Boto3 package. Once we install the Boto3 package, we can use this line to initialize a Bedrock LLM. So here we are importing Boto3 and dot client. So here we are passing the runtime as Bedrock runtime. And next we have to invoke the model. So to invoke the model, we have to use dot invoke model function. We have to pass the model ID, content type, and the content should be in the form of JSON. So I have used a messages payload. So the payload should be in the following format. So here we can see the payload. This contains messages, max tokens, and Anthropic version because I'm using a Anthropic LLM. So these three keys are mandatory. If any of this is not present, it will throw an error. So in the messages, we pass the list of messages. Here I am not passing a system message, I am only passing a user message. So we can see the output. It is running. Okay, here we have got the response from the model. So it is not in the format that we need. So we have to do some modifications here. So output and passing body and have to read this. Then we have to convert it into a JSON format. And the final answer will be, we can see the current answer. We have to do some more to get the final answer. So here we can see the answer that is in JSON data. It will contain the output along with some other key variables also. So if we run here, we can see the ID, the type, the role, model, content, and etc. So we only need the content. So if we go to JSON data and type content.0, and it's inside the text variable, text key. So if we give the text, it will give the response from the LLM. Thank you. That's how you connect to a Bedrock model using Boto3.